Hello, welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. I'm no longer a day trader, and I will be using plain sense to explain my stock pick and investment strategies. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, and share. If you're new to investing, great! Use my links to get free stocks with Webull and Robinhood. Now, let's get into it. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Today I'm going to be introducing you to two penny stocks. Both of these penny stocks are very talked about right now on YouTube. It's in the fintech industry and the other is in the EV sector. The first company is Ozop Energy Solution Inc. They are trading under the symbol OZSC. It's trading in an OTC market right now. So what that means is that you cannot buy it from Robinhood or Webull. You have to have it with Charles Schwab or a bank like Ally Bank. OZSC is trading at about 0.076, so it's nearing 8 cents, and it's trending upward from a recent dip. And the company had a 52-week high of $2 and a low of 0.4 of a cent. And what's pushing the stock upward is a partnership with Zeem to develop evolutionary EV charging solution, and this was announced on January 19, 2021. Pennsylvania-based designer manufacturer of power electronic equipment. This is used for power conversion. I'm thinking charging stations. They have subsidiaries in China, and their fully owned subsidiary is Power Conversion Technologies, PCTI. One thing to note is that I tried to look for a website for OZSC, but it's currently down. You can go to PCTI's website to get more information on OZSC. So overall, I think that the market for a renewable energy solution, it's hot right now. The Biden administration and the VP is Kamala Harris. She hails from California, a state that has set zero emissions by, I think, 2030. The second company that I'm going to introduce to you, also equally hot on YouTube right now, is Tesoro Enterprise, TSNP. This one I actually did buy into, so I will have a little bit more insight. They merged with HUMBL to offer low-cost digital payments and financial services. So this is a fintech industry. What it really is that these two companies merged together and they're trying to help third world countries transition into the digital payment service, kind of like IDEX, where they're trying to help countries transitions into the EV. The same type of thinking. I bought into this company at around 2 cents or so. I bought it at the time about last week, and I didn't want to do a video on this company yet because it had a major pump and dump in December and it went all the way down. And when I bought it, it was still trading up a little bit, but now it's at the peak again. And I am not exactly sure what's going to happen on Monday. I don't know if there's going to be another pump and dump or if it's going to stay. So I think that these two companies are definitely worth looking at. And I hope that information helpful. Thanks again.